हाय फ्रेंड, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत द FMA अप्रोच ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोसायक्लिक रिएक्शन्स. नाउ फर्स्ट वी सी द व्हॉट इज द इलेक्ट्रोसायक्लिक रिएक्शन. The pericyclic reaction which, under the influence of the heat or light, involve either the formation of the ring or opening of the ring is called as the electrocyclic reactions. In electrocyclic reactions, during these reactions, the formation of the new sigma bond or consumption of the 1 pi bond or the reverse is occur. There are the two types of the electrocyclic reactions. The first is Fourier and the second is the Fourier plus 2 electrocyclic reaction. Now first we see the Fourier electrocyclic reactions. In the Fourier electrocyclic reaction, the electrocyclic reaction in which under the influence of the heat or light, the closing of 1,3-butadiene to the cyclobutane or vice versa take place under the influence of thermal or the photochemical light is called the Fourier electrocyclic reactions. Now we see the FMA approach of the electrocyclic reaction, the Fourier electrocyclic reaction. Now see, in this case, the mu1, mu2, mu3 and mu4 are the 4 molecular orbitals of the reactant. Reactants means 1,3-butadiene, and the sigma, pi star and the sigma star and the pi star are the 4 molecular orbitals of the product, means cyclobutane. At the Fourier electrocyclic reaction, there are the two conditions. The first is at the thermal condition and the second is the photochemical condition. Let us consider the thermal ring closing of 1,3-butadiene to the cyclobutane. According to the MO diagram, the mu2 become the HOMO. The what is HOMO and LUMO? HOMO कशाला म्हणतात आणि LUMO कशाला म्हणतात हे ते आयडेंटिफाय कसे करायचे यासाठी तुम्ही याच्या अगोदरचा एक व्हिडिओ पाहू शकता. So let's at the thermal conditions. At thermal condition, when the bonding approach occur, when the two lobes of the same sign can be the interact with each other, and the bonding approach does not occur when the two lobes of the different sign can be the interact with each other. So at the thermal conditions, the mu2 the HOMO at the thermal condition. So this HOMO can be the rotated by the con and the dis rotated. So the lobes of the in the con rotations, the lobes can be the rotate, the two lobes can be the rotated in same direction, or the lobes can be the rotated by clockwise. This lobe can be the rotated by the clockwise direction, and this also rotated in clockwise direction. So the positive sign can be the interact with this. So this reaction is thermally allowed. But in the dis rotations, the one lobe can be the rotated in clockwise, means this direction. So the other lobe can be the rotated in the anti-clockwise. So this reaction, the negative and the positive sign can be the interact. So this reaction is thermally allowed, means thermally forbidden. So the positive sign can be the two lobes of the same sign can be the interact, which is the reaction is the thermally allowed, and the two different signs. The two different signs of the lobe can be the interact with each other. The reaction is thermally forbidden. So here the con rotation is allowed rotation at the thermal condition of the Fourier electrocyclic reaction. The second is at the photochemical condition, there is the excitation of the electron from mu1 to the mu3. So at the photochemical conditions, the mu3 become the HOMO. So the lobes of that orbital can be the rotated by the con rotatory and dis rotatory. So we first the con rotations. This lobe can be the rotated by the clockwise, and this is also rotated by the clockwise, means same direction, means con rotation. And the dis rotation means what? If the lobes of the orbital can be rotated in the clockwise, and other lobe can be the rotated in the anti-clockwise. So the dis rotation. So this lobe can be the rotated by the clockwise direction. So the positive and negative sign can be the interact, and this is the dis rotation. When the bonding approach occur, when the two lobes of the same sign can be the interact with each other, and the bonding approach does not occur when the two lobes of the different size can be the interact with each other. At the photochemical condition, here the cyclation occur by the dis rotatory path and not by the con rotatory, because the plus and plus, the two sign can be the interact at this reaction is the when the photochemical condition, the dis rotation is the allowed, while the con rotation is the forbidden. So next is the 4n+2 electrocyclic reaction. In 4n2 electrocyclic reaction, the electrocyclic reaction in which 135 hexatriene in the 4n electrocyclic reaction in which the ring closing of 135 hexatriene to the cyclohexadiene or vice versa take place under the influence of the thermal or the photochemical light is called as the 4n electrocyclic reaction. In case of the 4n electrocyclic reaction, the mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4, mu5 and mu6 are the molecular orbitals of the reactants, means the 135 hexatriene, and the sigma, pi1, pi2, pi2 star, pi1 star and the sigma star are the molecular orbitals of the product, means cyclohexadiene. There are the two conditions in the 4n+2 electrocyclic reactions. At the thermal conditions, and the second is the photochemical conditions. Now let us first we see the thermal conditions. The ring closing of, at the thermal condition, the ring closing of 135 hexatriene to the cyclohexane according to the MO diagram. The MO diagram mu3 act as a HOMO in the ground state. So friend, तुम्हाला what is HOMO and LUMO which can be identified हे माहीत करण्यासाठी याच्या अगोदरचा एक व्हिडिओ अपलोड केलेला आहे, व्हॉट इज होमो अँड लुमो, ते तुम्ही पाहू शकता. There are the two conditions at the 4n+2 electrocyclic reaction. The first we see at the thermal condition. At the thermal conditions, the mu3 act as a HOMO. At the mu3 act as HOMO. So this lobe can be rotated by the con rotation and the dis rotation. The first we see the con rotations. In the con rotation, the two lobes of the same the two lobes can be rotated in same direction. Means this lobe can be rotated in the clockwise and this also rotated in the clockwise direction. And in the dis rotation, the two lobes can be rotated in the opposite direction. Means this lobe can be rotated in the clockwise direction, so this lobe can be rotated in the anti-clockwise direction. So the approach of the this lobe can be rotated positive, negative, and this can be rotated, this rotation positive, positive. Here the reaction is followed by the disrotatory path, in which the one end of the lobe rotate by clockwise and another is rotated by anti-clockwise. By this bonding approach occur, but when the lobes occur in lobes rotate the y in the con rotatory way, the bonding approach does not occur. Hence, the 4n+2 electrocyclic reactions at the thermal conditions, the dis rotation is allowed and the con rotation is the forbidden. So the con rotation is forbidden. And the dis rotation is allowed. So the second condition is that at the photochemical conditions. The second condition is that at the photochemical conditions, the irradiation of the photochemical light on the 135 hexatriene promote the one electron from mu3 to mu4. Hence, under the photochemical condition, the mu4 become a HOMO. So the HOMO at the photochemical condition is mu4. This can be rotated by the two ways, by the con rotatory and the dis rotatory. The first we see the con rotation. In the con rotation, the two lobes of the same size can be rotated in the same direction. Means this lobe can be rotated in this, and this lobe can be also in this direction. So the sign interaction between these two lobes, this negative, positive, and this lobe can also be rotated in same direction. So the positive sign can be interact with each other. And in case of the dis rotation, the two lobes can be rotated in the opposite direction. Means one lobe can be rotated clockwise and another lobe can be rotated anti-clockwise. So the sign interaction between this lobe can be rotated in clockwise direction. So negative, positive, and this lobe also rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So here the cyclation occur by the con-rotatory path, not by the dis-rotatory path. So the same here the bonding approach occur when the two lobes of the same sign can be the interact with each other, and the bonding approach does not occur when the two lobes of the different signs can be the interact with each other. At the photochemical condition, the con rotation is allowed it, while the dis rotation is the forbidden. The dis rotation is forbidden. So at the photochemical conditions, the two lobes of the same sign can be the interact at the con rotation, and so the bonding approach occur at the photochemical condition by the con rotations, and this rotation is the forbidden at the photochemical condition of the 4n plus 2 electrocyclic reactions. So this all are about the FMA approach of the electrocyclic reaction, which reaction is the thermally allowed it, which reaction is the photochemically allowed it, which rotation is allowed it, or which rotation is the forbidden. So the bonding approach occur or bonding approach does not occur at the thermal or the photochemical condition. This can be the identify from the FMA approach of the electrocyclic reactions. थँक यू. व्हिडिओ आवडला तर लाईक करायला विसरू नका आणि चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक यू.